Hi guys, this is Dia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought to vlog my day, a day in life of a mom of two. It's going to be a busy day, so I thought why not vlog for you guys. So let's begin. First things first, I'm going to drop off my kids at the daycare center before I start my day. Both my kids go to the same daycare and my elder daughter, she loves her baby brother joining her at her daycare center. It's so hot here in Sydney today. Not only hot, but it's very, very smoky today from the bushfires. I can literally smell the smoke. Visibility is also so low while driving or walking. Sydney is literally covered in smoke today. I have a couple of things to do today. One, I have to go and see my doctor. So I have doctor's appointment. I have to buy some grocery. I have to go to Kmart to buy kids Christmas gifts. I have to cook, pick up the kids. So let's begin with our day. A lot of you guys have asked me many times for a grocery haul, what we eat during a week, what I buy for that, and things like that. So I thought today I will film a grocery haul, and maybe sometime next I will film what we eat during the week kind of video. Let me know if you like such kind of video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Oh, by the way, I have few reusable plastic bags which I use every time I go grocery shop. I take them along and I use them so that I don't have to buy a plastic bag every time. And I guess once I run out of these, then I'll start using my cloth reusable bag. Hi guys, so I have just come back home. So I'll tell you what my schedule has been since morning. So I dropped off kids at the daycare and then I went to see my doctor, but I was told that doctor is running late and you have to come back after 2 hours. So I thought I'll just run some errands. I went for grocery shopping and now it's 12 and I am back home with all the grocery shopping and I'll show you the haul soon. And now I have to put everything back away and then run back for my appointment around 1ish. Actually, they told me come anytime after 12:30, so I'll just leave immediately once I'm done here. And then after that, once I'm done with the appointment, I have to go to Kmart to buy kids gifts for the Christmas. And though we don't do much in the Christmas, but we want to keep kids in line with what, like, you know, the other kids experience here. So I don't want other kids to ask my kids, oh, what did you get for Christmas? And our kids go, nothing. So that's the only reason we don't do much in the Christmas. So no Christmas tree or anything. So that's another thing. So we're going to buy, what is it called, balancing cycles for kids and all the accessories. So I'm just going to buy as much as I can and I'll show you my grocery haul right now. So let's just begin. It's such a hot day today. You can see that I am sweating and it's so smoky today and the visibility while driving or even while walking is so low, and it's because of the bushfire here and there. Sydney is covered under the smoke. Also, we didn't get a lot of rain this season, and I think my husband just told me yesterday that the dam levels are less than 50%, and we're trying to save as much water as we can, and we're not watering our plants anymore. Maybe once a week or something, but trying to save as much as we can. So anyways, apart from that, let's just get started with the haul and I'll show you everything that I've got. So I usually go to 3 stores. So one is Woolworths, second one is the Indian store, and third one is the Fruit World, where I buy all the veggies. So let me just show you everything that I've got. So this side is everything that I've got from the Indian stores. I have got some jeera khakra and some sada khakra for the kids, and because it's mango season, so I've got some raw mangoes and I'm going to put the pickle, make the pickle. So it's masala for that. I've got the rice. We don't have any rice, not even a single grain. We ran so badly out of it, so I had to get everything today. So rice, we didn't have any flour as well, so we get this Pillsbury we get this Pillsbury chakki atta, and this is the India Gate rice. And then what else did I get from the Indian store? I think that's about it. And then from Woolies, I got the raw sugar, the full cream milk, and then these cashews, and then these disposable trays I've got because Dhyani and Kushang, they have Christmas party at their daycare, and I am making gajar ka halwa for that. So I've got 3 kgs of gajar ka halwa. So that's the yogurt we always get, Greek jalna pot set. And then that's just the mint and coriander. It's so hard. I just feel like pani puri. And then I got a tray of mangoes, and I actually picked from different trays and bought the best ones. I always do that. So, and then I got these raw mangoes. I got ginger, and we're also planning sometime this week to make pizza. So pani puri is definitely on the list, and then pizza is on the list as well, because I got the ingredients last week. I couldn't make it, but this week I'm thinking. So I put eggplant in that, then juicing oranges. I always get the hummus, and I'll always get this roasted pine nut. I love that flavor. Then avocados without fail, and then capsicum for pizza as well. And cucumbers, we always get baby cucumbers. That's what kids like to eat, and so do I. And then other fruit I got is strawberries. For veggies, I got some green beans, just the regular tomato, potato, and onions. And then I got some sweet corn, some cabbage, and this is a lot of gajar. Like मेरा हाथ दर्द करने वाला है इनको घसने में, but I am going to do that for my kiddos. And then I've got Australian peas and edamame beans. So that's everything, guys. Apart from that, I'll quickly show you what else I've got, which is sitting actually lying there. I've got kitchen towels. So I've just picked the most economical one. No brand or nothing that I always pick. Whatever was जो सस्ता था मैंने उठाया. And then this is the diaper little ones, and this is the, I would say, the very good diaper and very economical. I've always used these ones. This is the little ones diaper. And then this is the toilet roll. Again, we always buy this one. It's just that it's the economical pack. And apart from that, the last few things I got is Morning Fresh dish liquid and some facial tissues. Just the Woolies brand, nothing special here. So that's everything, and I have to quickly put them away now. So now I will quickly run for my appointment. After I put away all the grocery, then I have to go to Kmart. Then I have to come back home. If I get time, then I have to cook and then go and pick kids up. Kushang is not feeling that well today. He has running nose. I think because of all this smoke and the weather, it's so bad. He is getting allergic, and anyways, he has runny nose today. So I have to pick kids up, and this is how busy my days are. Even if kids are not home, or even if I'm not filming or editing, I have a lot of editing to do, but all I keep doing is just film and not edit. Anyways, I'm going to put everything away, and then I'll see you in a bit. So for lunch, I just bought this kachori for me from the Indian store. I guess this is the best I can do today for myself. So that's what I'm going to eat right now. So that's my lunch for today. So guys, the good news is that I am not undergoing the procedure right now. I have been started on the antibiotics, and we'll see in a week's time how we go. And that's the best news for today, because I really didn't want an operation, and because kids would have been all where's mama, and then I would have had to rest. And I thought just avoiding the operation would be the best solution, which is what the doctor has suggested as well. They just want to see with antibiotics first, and then we'll see. So fingers crossed. Hopefully, we're not going down that lane. So I'll just go home now, buy some antibiotics, and then update you guys next week. So now I'm at the Kmart to buy Christmas gifts for the kids. So guys, I came back home like 15 minutes ago, and I'm resting a little, having my little snack here. I'm having tomatoes. I'm super duper hungry. Cow. શું કહેતો તું તું મેંગો ને જોરથી બોલ. Come on, mango. ફરીથી કર. બિલાડી. શું થયું? વાગ્યું? આવી રીતના કેમ ચાલે છે? ડાન્સ કરું છું. ડાન્સ કરે છે મારું પુદ્દુ બેટું. ડીંગલી. ચડી ગઈ નહીં, ચડી ગયો.
ચડી ગયો.
ચડી ગયો. બોલ.
થઈ ગયો.
બાપ
ગયો.
હું બોલું?
થઈ ગયો.
હા, ગુડ બોય.
થઈ ગયો. હા, ધ્યાની થઈ ગઈ, ગુગુ થઈ ગયો.
ક્યુટો. આખો દિવસ મારીને ધ્યાનું ભેગી હોય.
દીદી થઈ ગઈ હોય. હા, દીદી. હા, દીદી વહી ગઈ, ગુગુ થઈ ગયો.
જો ગુગુ બેસી ગયો.
ગુગુ બેસી ગયો.
ગુગુ સ્લાઇડ કરી ગયો.
હા, દીદી બેસી ગઈ, ગુગુ બેસી ગયો.
દીદી બેસી ગઈ.
ભાગી ભાગી ભાગી. હા, જા દીકલી, ભાગી ભાગી. ભાગી 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 ભાગી. હા, દીદી તો ઘાસમાં ફરે છે ચપ્પલ વગેરે. આઈ સ્ટ્રોંગ કરે છે. તો પ્લેન તારા ઉપર થોડી આવશે, સ્કાયમાં છે બેટા.
ચાલો ઉપર છે કયા છે તો તે કરી
ક્લાઉડ્સ ને ઉપર ઉપર આપણે ગયા હતા. આ જો છે, હું બેઠો હતો પ્લેનમાં તો.
ધનકુડી અહીંયા જો.
લર્નિંગ 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 લર્નિંગ
રનિંગ 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 રનિંગ.
વાવ, યાર તો એક્સપર્ટ થઈ ગયા છે.
હા. કરી જા. અલ્લા કલી ગયા ટીકલા.
નહીં કીધા કોણ નહીં કીધા
તો બતા.
નવા કેમ
એ કોયલ છે બરડી.
આવાજ કેમ નહીં
વયું બી કે શું જોતો?
મૂકી દઈશ.
શું મૂકી દઈશ? કાગો આપી જા.
કાગો પરીથી
આપી ગયો.
આવી ગયા. લઈ આવ્યો.
કાગળ આપી દો પાછું.
કાળો કાકડો છે. ચલો ચલો, વી આર ફેમિલી ગઈએ. કોણ સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે?
જાની. હાય, મને લઈ લે તું.
આટલું મસ્ત ડાન્સ કેમ કરો? ચલ ગુગુ તું ગા. ચલ ગુગુ ગા.
એમની આખું ગાવ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ કરો.
We are family.
Long, we are family. Gulu family. We are the family. The Mimi. We long family. Family. We are family. Long family. Family.